Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain the best apps for day trading. To begin, focus on platforms offering competitive pricing, ideally zero commissions on many trades. Fast execution speed is paramount, as even a fraction of a second can impact your entry or exit points. Look for robust charting capabilities and a wide array of technical indicators to support your analysis. Finally, consider mobile accessibility for trading on the go, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. When exploring leading platforms, you'll find many now offer zero commission trading for stocks and exchange-traded funds, which is a significant advantage. Some platforms stand out with their comprehensive research and educational resources, helping you refine your strategies. Others excel with powerful desktop interfaces, providing advanced order types and deep customization. Always prioritize platforms that offer excellent customer support and strong security protocols to protect your investments. To choose the ideal app, first consider the minimum deposit requirements. Some platforms allow you to start with as little as $0, while others require several thousand. Next, verify the available asset classes, whether you plan to trade stocks, options, or futures. A highly intuitive user interface is essential for making rapid decisions. Finally, always take advantage of a demo account to thoroughly test your strategies without risking any actual money. For successful day trading, it's crucial to develop a clear, well-defined strategy, including precise entry and exit points for every trade. Effective risk management is paramount. Always set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Start your trading journey with a relatively small amount of capital, perhaps a few $100s, and gradually increase it as you gain experience. Remember to continuously educate yourself and adapt your approach to the ever-changing market dynamics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.